Hello, students. How are you? I hope that you all are fine. So, as the festival season is going on, and we are going to read a story which is very special and magical. Okay, actually, it is based on a girl's imagination who is feeling alone at her house, at her aunt's house, with whom she is going to stay for some days as her parents has gone for an holiday. So when she was alone in the house, she went upstairs and saw a room which was locked. She opened that room and she find surprisingly amazing things there. Whatever she has find, we will get after reading this lesson. So let us start reading The Magic Room. The name of the chapter is The Magic Room. It was a wet rainy day when Poppy is the name of the girl. Okay. It was a rainy day when Poppy looked out of the window at the rain and thought about her parents. Now she was feeling alone, and when she was looking out of the window, there was raining outside, and she was thinking about her parents who were gone out for a long holiday traveling around the world. Okay, her parents had left her to her aunt's house and they went on a long holiday. They said that Poppy was too young to go, and so she was staying with her aunt. So what was her parents thinking? That Poppy was very young to go on such a long holiday. Okay, वो बहुत दिनों के लिए बाहर जा रहे थे, मे बी मंथ्स. तो उनको लगा कि पॉपी इज़ नॉट very old enough to go with them. That's why they left her to her aunt's house. Okay, अब पॉपी अपनी आंट के घर पे रह रही थी. Aunt Bella, name of the aunt was Bella. In her funny old house with lots of rooms and strange noises. Okay, Aunt Bella's house was very funny. It was an old house and it has many rooms, and there she can hear many strange noises also. Okay. Poppy felt bored as she was all alone in the big house. As there was no other child in the house, so she was feeling alone there also. Aunt Bella had gone out to visit one of her friends. Now she was alone because Aunt Bella जो उसके साथ थी वो भी अपनी किसी फ्रेंड के घर चली गई थी कुछ टाइम के लिए. It was now raining hard. There was raining outside and it was raining very fast, very hard. So Poppy could not even go out. So she could not go out to play with other children. बाहर भी नहीं जा सकती थी. She went upstairs. So she thought of going upstairs. Upstairs यानी stairs को cross करके ऊपर चढ़ना. Okay. And stood in front of a locked room, and you can see as in the picture she is standing in front of a locked room. She looked around. उसने जब लॉक देखा तो उसने चारों तरफ देखा, ढूंढा. A rusted key lay on a small table in the corner. Now here at the corner this table was kept, and on this table there was a key, rusted key. Rusted means बहुत टाइम से जब कोई आयरन की किसी मेटल की चीज़ पड़ी रहती है तो उसके ऊपर रस्ट हो जाता है ना. ऑरेंज कलर का आपने कभी देखा हो तो है ना, जंग लग जाती है. दिस इज़ रस्ट. द लॉक वॉज रस्टेड टू. लॉक भी काफ़ी टाइम का बंद था, सो इट वॉज रस्टेड ऑल्सो. सो शी डिसाइडेड टू ओपन द रूम एंड गो इन. Then she decided that I should open this door with this key and I should get inside. ठीक है. Her heartbeat turned fast as she turned the key, but she did not know what was inside that room. और वो किसी और के घर में भी थी. So she was feeling very frightened. When she was turning the key inside that lock, she was feeling scared. Okay, and her heartbeat was very fast. It was difficult, but it moved. So at first she find it difficult to open the lock, but still she was trying to open it, and later on she heard a click, और एक क्लिक की आवाज़ के साथ, and the door opened as if by magic. The lock was opened in such a way as some magic has happened. Okay, all of a sudden the lock opened and the door was opened also. Poppy stepped into the strangest room she had ever seen. Okay, when she went inside the room, she saw that everything inside the room was very strange. So she said the room, strangest room. Okay, सबसे strange. The walls were decorated with sparkly silver and gold stars and moons. Okay, the walls of that room were decorated with sparkly silver and gold stars and moons. Shapes के साथ decorated था, but were changing colors very fast. But उनके जो colors थे sparkly silver और gold, they were changing very fast. The color of those silver stars and moons was changing very fastly. The furniture was strange too, and the furniture which was kept there was very strange also. Okay, on the left was a sofa. On the left side of the room there was a sofa, but it was not on the floor. Isn't it strange कि सोफ़ा कहाँ पे होता है? It is always placed on the floor. लेकिन अगर कोई सोफ़ा फ्लोर पे ना हो, कहाँ हो? It was hanging in the air. सोफ़ा कहाँ हैंग हुआ था, कहाँ लटका हुआ था? इट वॉज इन द एयर, हवा में. एंड मूव्ड अराउंड द सीलिंग, और सीलिंग के चारों तरफ घूम रहा था हवा में. पॉपी सैट ऑन वन ऑफ द चेयर्स लाइंग ऑन द फ्लोर इन द सेंटर ऑफ द रूम. और उसको देख के सोफ़ा को शी वॉज वेरी फ्राइटेंड एंड शी सैट डाउन ऑन अ चेयर विच वॉज लाइंग इन द सेंटर ऑफ द रूम. एक चेयर जो रूम के बिल्कुल सेंटर में थी, वो उसके ऊपर बैठ गई. So today we will read till here to page 98. You have to read page 99 and 900 yourself. Tomorrow we will discuss the same. So I hope that you have understand till now and you have enjoyed it a lot. So we will read the rest of this story tomorrow. So till then, take care of yourself.